The secret of India's unity lies in its diversity, said Sardar Patel. Good afternoon to all of you. It's my great pleasure to welcome our chief guest of the day, Justice Khalifullah sir, former judge of Supreme Court of India. Now, he has been a friend of our Chancellor for decades together now. It's a great pleasure to, for 40 years. So, unfortunately, Chancellor couldn't attend. So, he told me personally to make sure our chief guest is comfortable throughout the day. I hope we are doing well. Okay. I extend my welcome to all the delegates from various parts of the country, all the great scholars, students, and the press and media, and my dear faculty and staff and students. I first of all would like to congratulate the Dean and the entire team of SSL for organizing this wonderful seminar. It's a great seminar, especially with the topic mainly focusing on the work of Sardar Patel in relation to the self-reliant country. It's a great topic. I missed some of the sessions. I think I'll catch up with you later to understand the proceedings. Of course, I want to be very brief because I'm here to listen, not to speak, but I'll just wanted to say a few words. See, as we all know, our great Sardar's vision is to unite the country. And we all know the kind of diversity our country has. You know, if I just travel few kilometers from here, they speak a different language. I travel another 100 kilometers this side, they speak a different language. But we are all united as Indians. We are separated by languages, we are separated by castes, thousands of castes, we are separated by religions. But we are united as a country, as Indian. All this has happened because of freedom fighters like Sardar Patel. Because, you know, as you read history, whether it's history of Europe or history of India, it's very similar. All of us were fighting with each other, trying to kill each other. But then, after all this history, some kingdoms expanded, some kingdoms shrunk. But we are now united as one nation. And it's really a pride that we are all progressing very well. But we should not let any elements trying to, divide us in the name of religion or in the name of caste or in the name of language, creed. There are so many things which can easily divide us. But it's very important that we follow our Sardar's words or Gandhi's words and making sure we continue to stay united and work for a very strong, progressive India. As you know, we have had the major corona effect, right? The entire world changed with corona. And now we have another factor, the Trump effect. Everything is changing. Every day, the news is, okay, what tariff India is going to suffer? What tariff some other country is going to suffer? But all this, we should be able to withstand. Because the world is going to be like this. With one factor or another, some other thing will come. But as a country, we should stay united and face all these challenges and become self-reliant, not necessarily depending on one particular nation in the world. We should also be interdependent. We should be able to export there. We should be able to import in a nice free trade manner. I hope someday we will be able to reach some kind of understanding like that and make India as one of the best superpowers in the world. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.